Huwintri rang ba ka jala ukon rat ke sangma ha ka artrik jilio ula plia ka solar photovoltaic PV plant ba sanpo kilowatt ha St Mary's High Secondary School Shlong ha po jong ka CM solar mission ha ba penksan ba ka boarding ka bala ban penthamai ni renewable energy kam de sho tang ka jingthmu hendre ka de ka jingdan kam jong ka por. Kani ka project ka bakot kumbasan polak tingka kabala pentroi da ka MNREDA bakin thop ya u battery ban kershan ha kabala khmi lenti bakan yaram ya ka skul bakan yo ban tingkai hadu kumba riu hajar unit ka boarding ha ka shibnai ban kaban kot ya ka jingyo penlang pisa ka bajan hadu sapo hajar tingka shibnai ni jan kumbasan lak tingka shisnam. Ya ka project la pentroi da ka Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency MNREDA bat ka de ka way ni ki jing pendat iki kor solar ka ba he du ha ka jaka puli ha Meghalaya. Tani ka kor ba sanpo kilowatt ka ba shong dor kum ba sanpo lak tingka ka doni ki battery ban kershan bat lakmi linti bakan senyang shikat day sha ka jingla pendam ya ka jingdon kam boarding jong school lingba ka boarding ka ba khut bat ka bam but sure ha ba pen pau ya ka jing he jong ka ni ka mission ukon rat upen tip ba hadu palan waypoint san MC ka jingtan boarding nakasngi ladab ban pendaj hadu jan kumba news part ligi school hakaleng ka Meghalaya hapo jong ka CM solar mission kat ba ka jing pentre sa ha ki khatlai spot li an sasdang no shen what haba omdan sngi Henry ka boarding ka baladon kan la ban kershan na ka benta katu ka ni sngi kata ka mut balada jia bahap slap hadu ar balai sngiru ka school kadang la ban shania ha ka boarding ka bala penlang lupa ong ukon ran kat ba ka technology kami amar jongi ban wengi ki bagbon ki jing Henry ka technology hi daladi kampat biang satya ka ka bakam kongsan kalong langila ne ban pen kala ya kata ka technology shaklenti ka bala ban pen bait ula ong ru ba ya ka boarding ka batam ne ki school ha ki bor shuti la ban pen poi shaka green kattu ka ni ki shnong kattu ka ni ki long yeng kattu ka ni ki yeng baduk kin yo jing toy na ka boarding bala pen mi hang ni hi ha ka ka school lada arjartli ki school ha Meghalaya ki shimbanta ha ka ni ka program dagi spa tali ki long yeng ken yo jingman toy na ka boarding ka ba khoi pala pen mi dagi ni ki jaka pudi ula benram na lor kata ula pen benaru baka sorkar jela kan sapen long ya ka jinga kop state level technology and innovation da ka jing thmu ban pen slori ki khna school ki no wan ra ye ki buit mai pat ki nong seng kam seng jam hapdeng ki samla ki weipat ki bala jingkran ki kinthop ya Dr. Joram Beda, Commissioner and Secretary Power Department, Sister Sonia Chako, Principal Jonga St. Mary's Secondary School, na lor ki wei.
So this is the project for the CM solar mission. And this is here right here in Shillong in St. Mary's High Secondary School. You can see the batteries out here, the inverter. It's a 50 kilowatt project, and you'll be happy to know that most of the school's power now is coming from here. Almost, you can say almost 90% is coming from here, and we're only using half the capacity. Very soon, we are hopeful that not just the highest secondary school, but also the college will be completely on solar. And this is the kind of project we'd like to see in all institutes so that we promote green energy. And this is one of the larger projects we've done under CM Solar Mission. But like this, about 700 schools have been given units, and close to 1.4 megawatts of power has been installed. So it's a great success, and I wish the school, the management, the very best, and we'll continue to have more and more schools powered by solar energy. Thank you so much.
It's an honor and privilege that we got the opportunity as a power department to install this 50 kilowatt solar power plant. Now you must have read a lot about renewable energy, so you are seeing firsthand the kind of implementation that we will be doing or we have done. You have heard in the news repeatedly about the West Asia crisis, about the Strait of Hormuz, and the cascading effects that is happening on the economy on several nations across the world. And you would realize time and again the emphasis that has been given by the central government and also the state government on renewable energy. As a part of that initiative and emphasis, our Honorable Chief Minister also envisioned that renewable energy is the answer for the future. And for that reason, we are today seeing the light of the day that a 50 kilowatt, one of the largest solar power plants, have been installed in St. Mary's.
Today is indeed a day of immense joy and gratitude and pride for our institution as we gather to inaugurate the 50 kilowatt solar power project installed in our school through the generous support of the government of Meghalaya. Now we celebrate a shared vision for sustainable development and responsible energy use. At the outset, I consider it a singular honor and privilege to extend our most heartfelt welcome to our Chief Guest, Shri Kondad K. Sagma, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Sir, we are deeply grateful that amid your many responsibilities you have chosen to join us today to dedicate this important project to our school community. Your presence adds immense significance to this occasion and will remain an enduring inspiration to our staff and students.
I express our deepest gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister on his visionaries, leadership in advancing renewable energy and guiding Meghalaya towards a sustainable and energy secure future. This initiative reflects the state commitment under the SDG 2.0 framework, emphasizing outcome-driven, inclusive and sustainable development and creating tangible impact of Meghalaya, strengthening climate and resilience and supporting sustainable livelihoods.